Hello class, today's lesson is about covalent bond. So today we are going to learn about another chemical bond. I hope you still remember that we are now still in chapter 5 and the big topic for this chapter is chemical bonds. So far you have learned the first chemical bond, which is the ionic bond. I hope everyone is okay with this one already. So the next bond that we are going to learn is covalent bond. Okay. So what is covalent bond? Before we learn what is covalent bond, at the end of this lesson, what I want you to understand is you need to understand how to explain with examples the formation of covalent bond. Okay, how to explain this one? We will follow Cikgu Azmi's exercise, this one in page 110. Okay, I will guide you how to answer all the questions here so that you will be able to explain how the covalent bond are formed. Okay, number 2, you will be able to compare ionic bond and covalent bond. Okay, let us see the introduction in the textbook here. Did you know that diamond is one of the hardest substances, bahan yang paling keras in the world? So why is it like that? Because the property of diamond is caused by the formation of covalent bond between carbon atoms. Carbon simbolnya adalah C. Okay, so between the C and a lot of C's in diamond, there is a bond between them. Dan that bond is called covalent bonds. And this bond sangat kuat, very strong. That's why it makes the diamond very hard. The hardest substances. So covalent bond tu macam mana terbentuk? Covalent bond adalah dibentuk form when non-metals atoms share their electrons. Non-metals. So in covalent bond, we are going to focus on non-metal atoms. I hope you still remember that metals are categorized in group 1, group 2, and group 13 elements, and then non-metals are elements in group 14, group 15, and group 17. 14 until 17. Okay? And why we are not going to discuss group 18? Because I'm sure you know the answer already. Group 18 has already achieved the stable octet electron arrangement. So we are not going to use any elements in group 18 already. Okay, so covalent bond are formed between non-metal lah. When non-metal atoms, contohnya begini, 15 dengan 17 kah, 17 dengan 16 kah, 17 with 17 themselves kah, atau 14 dengan 16 pun boleh. Okay, asalkan dia non-metal. Elements ataupun unsur di dalam kumpulan ini boleh berkongsi elektron. Kenapa mau kongsi? Because they want to achieve a stable duplet or octet electron arrangement. Okay, remember in covalent bond we are focusing on non-metals, bukan logam. There are 3 types of covalent bonds. Kalau ionic bond satu jenis saja kan, tapi covalent bond there are 3 types: single bond, double bond, and triple bond. So what is single bond? Single bond is formed when 2 atoms share a pair of electron. Contoh yang paling senang adalah chlorine. Chlorine is from group 17 kan. So like I said just now, in covalent bond we are going to focus on elements from group 14 until group 17 only. So group 17 are halogens. One of the example is chlorine. So one atom of chlorine, the electron arrangement is 2.8.7. So this is how you draw it. You have the symbol, you have the nucleus, you have the first shell, second shell, and third shell. Look at the third shell here. It only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 valence electron. So chlorine atom needs 1 electron lagi. It needs 1 more electron to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. So how is it going to achieve the SOIA? Macam mana mau capai itu kestabilan adalah by sharing. Kenapa share? Sebab mereka berasal daripada grup 17. Jadi kenapa? Because ini adalah non-metal. Hanya non-metal saja yang boleh share elektron, berkongsi. So look at this. You need another chlorine with another chlorine to become a chlorine molecule. Tengok chlorine atom campur, jadilah chlorine molecule, Cl2. So two chlorine atoms each contributes 1 electron. Dua atom masing-masing akan menyumbang 1 elektron. Masing-masing sumbangkan. Mesti sama-sama menyumbang. To share a pair of electrons. So, memandangkan satu atom hanya kongsikan 1 elektron. Jadi, 1 dari kiri, 1 dari kanan. Maka sepasang lah. Okay, 2 biji elektron adalah sepasang. So, when you have a pair of electron yang kena share, you will form a single bond. Itulah maksud single bond. So, sekarang you understand 2 biji elektron, 1 pasang. 4 biji elektron, 2 pasang. 6 biji elektron, 3 pasang. Like that. So, yang berdua-dua begini itu adalah single bond. So, you must be wondering, teacher, bolehkah lukis begini? Satu bulat, satu lagi X, sedangkan dua-dua ni adalah Cl? Boleh. Kenapa dibolehkan? Supaya senang untuk menunjukkan yang di dalam petala ketiga, the third shell, ada perkongsian berlaku. Ada perkongsian. Teacher, if I don't want to use the X, if I want to use bulat-bulat only, can? Boleh. Dua-dua pun boleh. I want to use all X, boleh? Boleh pun boleh. Jangan saja you go and use this heart symbol kah, bulan kah, bintang kah, cannot. Itu cannot. Only the tai lalat and also X. Okay? Jadi, memandangkan diorang ni berkongsi kan, they are sharing electrons. So, what will happen is, the third shell is going to meet each other. Dia akan berjumpa. You just draw as usual. Lukis saja macam biasa. Ada simbol, ada nukleus. First shell, second shell, janganlah kasih jumpa. Tapi third shell tu, you have to combine it like this. So, dia akan jadi X titik. Okay, titik X. Di sinilah diorang berkongsi. Jadi, bila berkongsi, diorang akan jadi chlorine molecule Cl2. Single bond is formed. That is the example for formation of single bond. Jadi, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No longer 7, but 8 sudah. Jadi, dua-dua pun sudah octet. Dua-dua pun already achieve the stable octet electron arrangement. Okay, itu single bond. So, there is another way for you to understand macam mana apa single bond ni. Ada satu lagi lukisan selain daripada lukisan elektron. This is lukisan elektron kan. So there is another lukisan which is called Lewis structure. The formation of covalent bond can be visualized, boleh divisualkan dengan menggunakan Lewis structure. So Lewis structure only shows the valence electron saja. So perasankah tengok Lewis structure, dia tiada Cl, and then tiada nucleus, tiada first shell, tiada second shell, tiada. No first, no second shell, only the valence electron, the outermost shell. Shell yang terluar, okay? Outermost shell saja. So, hanya ada simbol, and then ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is this 7? It's actually the 7 valence electron. And then another atom. And when they combine, so you will only draw like this, okay? Yang combine tu adalah a pair of electron lah. Ataupun begini, no need to draw all the electron, you just draw the symbol and one single bond in between them. So this is called Lewis structure. Perbezaan besar Lewis structure dengan ini adalah ini ada show all the first and second shell. Lewis structure tiada, only the valence electron. So let's see, okay? Mari kita tengok. Okay, this is the diamond. Diamond consists of carbon atom, a lot of carbon. Each carbon atom, each C, forms 4 covalent bond with another 4 carbon atom. Tengok ba? Satu carbon dia bergabung dengan 1, 2, 3, 4. Satu carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, dia ada gabung dengan 4 biji carbon yang lain. That is why it forms the hardest structure in the world. Okay, double bond. So how double bond is formed? Macam mana double bond boleh terbentuk? A double bond is formed when two atoms share two pairs of electron. Itu double bond lah. Single bond tu yang share a pair. Kalau double bond, two pairs lah. So let us see. Example dia adalah ini. Look at this. Oxygen atom need two electrons to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. You know already, oxygen kan daripada kumpulan 16. Dia adalah daripada, it comes from the second period. Second period means 2.6 lah. Jadi, look at this one, 2.6 and this one 2.6. It is not stable yet. So, how to make it stable? We need to add another 2. Ini maksud ayat dia. Needs 2 electrons. Why we need to add 2 more electrons? So that it can achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. Okay, it will become 2.8 macam begini. So how to make it like that? How to make it stable? Let's see the electron arrangement. Electronic structure. You have a symbol, you have a nucleus, and then you have the first shell. The first shell consists of 2 electrons here. Ni nani? And the second shell consists of 6 electrons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6. And then you add another one. Okay, you have to share it. So how to share? It's going to be like this. Look at this. You are going to share the two electrons from each other. So kamu tengok mula-mula kan 2.6, sekarang 2.8 sudah. Macam mana jadi 2.8? Sebab yang dua ni berkongsi. Jadilah 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Jadi beginilah, you have to draw like this. Once again, I would like to remind you, tidak semestinya mau ikut dalam buku teks beginilah. You want to do all bulat-bulat, asalkan ada 4 pun boleh. Okay? So I hope you understand. Lukis dulu dia punya simbol, and then give it nucleus, give it the first shell, and the second shell, don't forget to cross it. Okay? Mesti mau cross. Bergabung kan? So, kasih kongsi lah dia. So, mari kita kira balik. Is it already already achieved the stable octet electron arrangement? So, this one is 2. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nah, sudah 2.8. Jadi, it is already stable. Okay, I hope you understand. And then this one is the Lewis structure. Look at this Lewis structure. It only focuses on the valence electron saja kan. So the valence electron di sini kongsi kan. It's going to be double like this. Or just draw 2 bonds. Okay? 2 bonds di sini. So ini adalah double bonds. Double bond lah ni. This is double bond between the OO. OO is oxygen molecule sudah. Bukan lagi atom. Okay? Triple bond. So what is triple bond? Triple bond is formed when 2 atoms share 3 pairs of electron. 3 pairs, 3 pasang elektron. So let us see apalah dia punya contoh. Contohnya adalah nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom needs 3 electrons to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. Kenapa perlu 3? Look at the electron arrangement. It's 2.5. When it's 2.5, kan 2.5, we need to add another 3 so that it become 2.8 like this. So what we do is just combine it. We just share it. So these 3 are going to share with each other to become this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, it is already already achieved the stable octet electron arrangement. Okay? So how to draw? Remember, Lewis structure only focuses on the valence electron. Okay, you are going to share this. You can draw either this way, 3 bonds to become triple bond, or you can draw all the dot and cross to represent all the valence electrons that are being shared. Okay, so that's all. That's all for covalent bond. Okay, so let us compare. What is the difference between covalent bond and also ionic bond? There are similarities. Yang blue one ni, ini similarities. So ionic bond and covalent bond involve valence electron only. Kan? When we want to form ionic bond ka, covalent bond ka, we only will disturb the valence electron. Sharing, kita pakai valence electron. Ionic, one will donate, one will receive. We only will involve valence electron. Dua-dua involve valence electron. Next, atoms achieve stable octet or duplet electron arrangement. Yeah. Okay. So, ionic bond ka, covalent bond ka, what is the purpose? Apa tujuan untuk membentuk, to form these two types of bond is so that the atoms kan ionic tu, it involves metal and non-metal, and covalent bond is involving non-metal. These atoms are going to achieve stable octet ataupun duplet. So that is the purpose untuk membentuk ini ikatan. Okay, but what is the difference? Ionic bond involving transfer of electron, donate and receive, itu maksud transfer. Covalent bond share electron. Ionic bond is between metal atom and non-metal atom. Covalent bond between non-metal saja. Remember, yang metal ni daripada group 1, group 2 and group 13. Non-metal group 14 sampai group 17. Ionic bond forms a positively charged ion and a negatively charged ion. Kalau covalent bond, it forms a molecule, tiada ion. No ions involved. Okay, it forms a molecule sudah. Kalau yang ini kan, you understand kan? Kalau Na tu akan jadi Na plus selepas dia donate, and then Cl will become Cl minus selepas dia receive. So that's the difference lah. I hope you can understand this one. So you are required to complete this exercise. Test yourself 5.3, and also this one. Okay, and also this page from Cikgu Azmi's book 1110. 111, 112 until 115. Okay, I will upload the instruction in the Google Classroom, and please check if you miss out here in this video. Thank you very much for listening.